Hey guys, in this short video, I'm going to show you how you can integrate ConvertKit with GroovePages and GrooveFunnels. So you can have people opt in to your forms inside GroovePages. So the end result is going to look a little bit like this. So this is my page to promote GroovePages, and my opt-in form is on a pop-up, but you can also just do this on the page. So this is the pop-up, and as you can see, this is the GroovePages. This is the ConvertKit form that I've integrated inside GroovePages, and you can do exactly the same thing just on the page rather than in a pop-up, and I'll show you how to do both right now. So firstly, you want to go inside ConvertKit and you want to go to your landing pages and forms, and I'll just select my form for GroovePages opt-in, but you can select your own form here or create your own form. You can customize your form inside ConvertKit, or you can also make the changes inside GroovePages. It's up to you, your preference. This is my form here, and all you have to do, firstly, you need to just make sure that you have a redirecting to your thank you page. So after someone's opted in, this is the page that they'll go to if you want that, or you can just show a success message if you prefer. Just make sure you've got your thank you page or equivalent URL here, and then you want to go to embed, and you just want to copy across this JavaScript here. So just click copy and it will copy it for you, and then once that's done, go over to GroovePages and go over to your GroovePages site. And what I'm going to do is I'll show you how you can do it on the page, and then I'll show you how you can do it in the pop-up. So what you need to do is go to Elements, scroll down, and as you can see with some of the other email services, you can integrate it. With ConvertKit, you can't. So what you have to do is you have to go to code embed. So we'll drag in a code embed element, and we'll just drop that here just for the sake of this video. Obviously, you probably want it to be in a better position than that. And then you click on the code embed, and then you click on this little settings toggle here. And then you simply paste in that JavaScript there, and you click save. And as you can see, it's already appearing there. So if we go on the preview site, that new form will appear right there. That's the new one there. And then if we want to do that with the pop-up, it's quite a simple process as well, pretty much exactly the same thing. Firstly, you need to create your pop-up. So just go to pop-ups and then create a new pop-up if you haven't already got one. Make sure with your pop-up that it's selected on either all pages or the page that you actually want the pop-up to show on. I just prefer to do it on all pages. And then you simply add in a code embed element like I've just got here, and copy and paste that same code and just paste it in there, and then click save and exit. And then it'll do exactly the same thing there. If you're doing the pop-up route, just make sure that a button is linked to your pop-up as well. So for example, this button, just go across to configure there and just make sure that it's linked to the pop-up and you've selected the right pop-up, and then click update. And that's all there is to it to integrate your ConvertKit form inside GroovePages. If you want more of these kind of tips and tricks that I share for freelancers, solopreneurs, or anyone looking to start or grow their online business, hit subscribe to this YouTube channel, and I'll also leave a link in the description below to my Facebook group where we share a lot more of these kind of tips and tricks in a supportive and collaborative environment. Other than that, I hope you have a great day, have a great week, and I'll see you in another video.